Do you want a smart, healthy, confident toddler? Then listen up. I'm Charity, and today's video is the second in a 3-video breakthrough series. This is going to sound super simple, but it actually is so important at this age. And all it is play alongside your toddler. And that means play with your toddler, not giving them toys and then going in the other room to get some of your chores done. Again, I know it's hard when you have so many things that you know you need to get done, but the key here is to play with your toddler. Here are some examples of what you can play with them. Ball activities, so you can throw, kick, roll a ball, or just something that rolls. And the next suggestion is container play. So that can be any sort of container. It could be an empty food container. It could be a shoebox. It could be a cereal box. It could be a plastic storage container. Anything that you can put things in. And all you do is take baby safe objects and you put them into the container, and then you let your baby or toddler take that object out. Then you do it again and they take it out, and you do it again, and just do it over and over again. Another idea is to stack things, and this could be anything that you have lying around the house that's safe for a baby to play with. So, you could take animal crackers and take them out of the package and show the baby how to stack the animal crackers and then let them try it. I have a ton of these from our school lunch deliveries and breakfast deliveries. You can stack the cereal containers. You can use books and stack books. Anything that's stackable. You could do little marshmallows, whatever you have around the house. Letting your baby draw and write is another really important activity that develops a lot of different things. So all you really need for that, you can have colored pencils, crayons, pens, any sort of writing utensil, as long as you're there watching them and monitoring them, and just scrap sheet of paper, any kind of paper would work. Now, if you're wondering why these things are so important, playing with your toddler helps many different things, including creativity, imagination, decision-making, problem solving. It helps build their confidence, makes his or her brain healthier, builds a healthy and active body. And when you're playing with your child, it just helps you to make those connections with your baby. Now it's time for our breakthrough brainstorm. So this is the time when, if you have any suggestions of a topic that you would like me to try to research and do a video on in the future, just write that in the comments below. And be sure to check back next Sunday for my last video on this toddler series. Please, if this was helpful and you liked it, just click that thumbs up button. Subscribe to my breakthrough channel, and please, please, please share this with as many people as you can, because I'm just trying to get the word out and help as many parents as I possibly can. And remember, say yes to success.